Welcome back to another XDP manufacturer Q&A. In this one, I'm joined by Randy from FIA to go over their line of winter front and bug screens for your truck. So Randy, what products does FIA offer to protect the fronts of trucks, RVs, and SUVs?
FIA has two different options to protect the fronts of the grills. We have a combination winter front and bug screen, which is actually the winter front and bug screen included in the package. And then we also offer a bug screen only option for southern climates that obviously don't have any winter conditions.
So how do these winter front covers benefit performance in the colder weather?
What our winter front does is it basically blocks the grills so that cold air is not allowed into the engine. And what that does is that creates optimal temperatures for a diesel engine to run, and it also it promotes a faster warm up for the interior heat, and as well creates a bit of a fuel economy situation for it as well.
And what's the purpose of the bug screen?
The bug screen is primarily there to protect the grill from rocks, bugs, debris, and also at the end of the day make it an easier wash. When you are taking it to a car wash, you can remove the bug screen and easily clean your grill.
So what installation options are available for these covers?
We basically have two different installation options. We have the traditional screw-on stud and snap system that requires drilling into your truck in order to install. And we also have a patented 3M adhesive back system that we call our stick-a-stud system, which requires no drilling.
And what materials are used to make the winter front and bug screen?
Our winter front is primarily made of a heavy-duty quilted vinyl, and our bug screen is made from a heavy-duty tear-resistant mesh.
What applications do you offer these for?
Primarily, the winter front and bug screen is designed for trucks, Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra, Rams, but we also do offer some SUV applications as well.
And is there anything else you think people should know when it comes to this product?
Yeah, I think one of the key things to know as well is although these are specifically designed for diesel engines, they also apply to gas engine applications as well.
A big thanks to Randy from FIA for taking the time to come down here and give us the rundown on these covers. To learn more and to get one for your truck, head on over to xdp.com today.